Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: administrative access and a clear scope. Once you have rights, open the Firewall console or terminal. Create a new rule, choose outbound or inbound early, because that decision controls traffic direction. Next, pick whether to block a program, port, or IP range, and name the rule so you can find it later. Make sure to set action to deny or drop. This is the first tangible step that immediately begins cutting connections. Once done defining scope, go deeper. Enter exact targets such as program path, port lists like 80 and 443, or sitter blocks. Make sure to set protocol, TCP or UDP, and pick the network interface if needed. Enable logging to capture blocked attempts because logs explain failures later. Then apply or commit the rule. Many systems require a save and reload. After that, test with ping, curl, or a browser to verify the block works as expected and to spot unintended side effects. You finish by enabling the rule and watching traffic closely. Make sure to test services you rely on so you don't accidentally block critical systems. If something breaks, disable the rule to restore connectivity and then reevaluate targets and order. Many problems come from rule order or higher priority policies, so check precedents first. Finally, use logs to pinpoint which address or port triggered the block, adjust the rule, and reapply. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.